how to save Office Word files to local PC instead of OneDrive. So if you want to save Office Word files to local PC instead of OneDrive, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your Word application. After opening your Microsoft Word, now you will have your Word document, right? So just select the Word document that you would like to save. And after that, you need to go with the top left, which has that file option. Once you go with file, you will have an option of save as. So click on save as, and then as you can see that by default, it will show you OneDrive. But if you want to save it to your local PC, then you need to select other locations, and under other locations, you need to go with this PC. And then you need to go and select any folder that you're comfortable with. Like for example, in my case, I'll just simply go with downloads right here. Go and select the downloads, or you can just simply scroll down and then go and select any other folders right here that you would like to choose. In my case, I'll just simply go with downloads, and then you need to go with save, or just go with rename and rename the file and go with save, which will be on the bottom. Now, if you go back and open up your file manager and go with downloads right here, I've saved to my downloads. As you can see that my Word file is right here. So that's how you can save a Word file to local PC instead of OneDrive. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.